Mercedes EQS SUV will be the first all-electric luxury SUV, and few weeks before the official world premiere, Mercedes revealed the interior of this car. This third model, based on the Mercedes-Benz dedicated electric vehicle architecture, has the impressive luxurious interior that is set to redefine the whole segment. As expected, the optional MBUX HYPERSCREEN that goes all the way from one side to another is the main star. It measures 56 inches and has the latest MBUX infotainment system with advanced features. Tell me in the comments how do you like the interior and subscribe for the full review.